Most of what you believe about money you didn't choose. You absorbed it from parents, teachers, and people who were often just repeating what they were told. Some of it was good advice. Some of it quietly works against you to this day. Number 4 is the one almost everyone still believes. Let's go through 8 of the most common money lies and what's actually closer to the truth. Real quick before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Every week we break down how money actually works, with no hype. Okay, let's get into it. Lie number 1. Money is the root of all evil. This one shows up early and shapes everything. If money is bad, then wanting it makes you a bad person, so you avoid thinking about it, learning about it, or pursuing it. Closer to the truth, money is a neutral tool. It amplifies whoever's holding it. In careless hands, it does damage. In thoughtful hands, it funds security, freedom, and generosity. Avoiding money doesn't make you virtuous. It just makes you worse at handling the tool you'll use your entire life. Lie number 2. A higher salary will solve your money problems. It feels obvious. Earn more, worry less. But income only fixes money problems if your spending doesn't rise to meet it, and for most people, it does. That's lifestyle creep. Plenty of high earners live paycheck to paycheck, and plenty of average earners build real wealth. What you keep and invest matters far more than what you make. Lie number 3. Renting is throwing money away. Probably the most repeated property belief there is. The honest version, buying isn't automatically better. A home comes with interest, taxes, maintenance, insurance, and the cost of being tied to one place. Sometimes owning wins, sometimes renting and investing the difference wins. It depends on the numbers, how long you'll stay, and your life, not on a slogan. Lie number 4. The one almost everyone still believes. Investing is basically gambling, so keep your money safe in the bank. This one sounds careful. It's quietly one of the most expensive beliefs you can hold. Here's why. Money sitting in a low-interest account isn't truly safe. Inflation erodes its purchasing power year after year, so it feels still while quietly losing ground. Meanwhile, broad, diversified investing held for the long term has historically grown wealth, even though it moves up and down along the way. Confusing short-term ups and downs with gambling keeps people safe all the way to falling behind. Lie number 5. Carrying a balance helps your credit score, a myth that costs people real interest for no reason. The reality, you don't need to carry debt or pay interest to build credit. Using credit responsibly and paying it off is what tends to help. Carrying a balance just hands the lender interest. The balance helps idea is one of the most profitable myths ever, for everyone except you. Lie number 6. You should pay off every debt before you invest a cent. It sounds disciplined, and for high-interest debt, it's often right. But waiting to be completely debt-free before investing can mean missing years of compounding, the most valuable years, because they have the most time to grow. With low-interest debt, it can make sense to chip away at it and invest at the same time. The right move depends on the interest rate, not on an all-or-nothing rule. Lie number 7. Wealthy people just look wealthy. We're taught to read the car, the watch, the house as proof of money. But appearance and net worth are often two different things. Many of the most visibly rich lifestyles are funded by payments and debt, while a lot of genuinely wealthy people look completely ordinary. Looking rich and being wealthy can even be opposites. One spends the money, the other keeps it working. Lie number 8. It's too late for you to start. Maybe the most damaging lie of all, because it ends the story before it begins. The truth is that the best time to start was years ago, and the second best time is today. Compounding rewards time, yes, but starting where you are almost always beats waiting for a perfect moment that never comes. Too late is the belief that guarantees the outcome you're afraid of. Step back and notice the thread running through all 8. Most money lies share one trait. They sound responsible while quietly keeping you passive. Don't want money, don't invest, don't start, stay safe, stay still. Real financial understanding usually points the other way, toward calm, informed action, learning the tool instead of fearing it, judging decisions by the actual numbers instead of inherited slogans. You don't have to unlearn everything at once. You just have to stop letting old advice make decisions you never agreed to. So that's 8 money lies most of us were handed before we knew enough to question them. Money isn't evil. Income isn't the whole game. Cash isn't automatically safe. And it is almost never too late. The goal isn't to feel tricked by your upbringing. Most people passing these on meant well. The goal is to upgrade the software now that you can, one honest belief at a time. If even one of these reframed how you see your money, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Every week we break down how money actually works, no hype, and the free net worth tracker in the description will show you the truth that no slogan can, your real number, moving in the right direction. Remember, this is for education only, and it's not financial advice. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 8 money lies were you taught growing up? Just give me the number 1 through 8. I'll see you in the next one.